Hi, my name is Bonali Dev. Today will represent the analysis of business model metrics of IKEA, and I will give some strategic recommendation using SWOT analysis, stakeholder mapping, and BMC metrics. So in my presentation, I mainly talk about three objectives. The first one is the structural challenges of IKEA in their business model metrics, and the second one is misalignment of components of the matrix, and the third one is some strategic recommendation and solution for IKEA. So in my presentation, now I'll talk about the current business model of IKEA. So after analyzing the business model, I found that the main value proposition of IKEA is affordable and functional furniture, and the revenue stream is a one-time high value or sell, and customer relationship is mainly self-centered, self-service. So there is low engagement between IKEA and customers, and the key activities is mainly huge production and distribution. So in this business model, there are like a few core problems. So the first one is revenue and value proposition. So as I mentioned before, that the revenue stream mainly come from one-time and high volumes sell, but the customers want like durable and sustainable product. They're more concerned about sustainability. So so the revenue like conflict with the value proposition in business model, and the customer relationship versus value. So as I mentioned earlier, that in IKEA everything almost self-service, so there is low engagement with customers, so it also reducing the lifetime value of customers. So it is one of the core problem. And the key activities versus environment. So the key activities is mainly huge production and distribution. So it conflict with sustainability, and the products are also not focused on sustainable. So it also another problem for IKEA. So I also did the stakeholder mapping to understand the problems more clearly. So after doing the stakeholder mapping, I found some stakeholder pressure on IKEA. The first one is customer. So the customer mainly the key players of stakeholders mapping. So customer want durable, sustainable products. So this create a pressure on IKEA. And the second one is regulator. So in nowadays the regulator are more strict about environment and more strict about rules. So it's also one kind of pressure. And the third one is suppliers. Suppliers also need to meet sustainable standards. And the last one is competitors. So nowadays most of the competitors are very focused on digital platform, but on the other hand IKEA is not engage on a digital platform like others. So it is a like weakness for IKEA, also one kind of threat. So after analyzing the problem, I will give some strategic recommendation. The first of all, IKEA should like shift from product centric to circular, and because nowadays people are more concerned about uh, sustainability, money, everything. So they want to repair their product, they want to exchange their product, they want to back their product. So if they shift to circular, it will be great advantage for IKEA. The second one is the digitally engagement. So if IKEA start online platform, if they publish the events, family program, loyalty program, it will be more engageable for the customer, and it also attract the new customers also. And they should also like sustainable operation. So they can collaborate with their suppliers and eco-friendly organizations, so it will be more effectable step to become more sustainable in the market. Now I talk about the strategic impact of the recommendation. So if they do these things, it will be a great chance to engage customers and increase the lifetime value of customers. The first one is, if it will be a great uh, opportunity for IKEA to reduce the sustainability and regulatory risks, because nowadays everything is very difficult to handle. And the second one is like resolve the structural tension, because we already see that there is so much structural tension between the component of BMC matrix. And the last one is like cost leadership advantage, so it also will be a cost effective step. So thank you so much, this is my presentation. And so I got a question that how can IK implement circular and digital initiatives at scale with the cost leadership strategy. So IK can scale circular and digital initiatives without rising cost by using their strong supply chain management and supplier network. For example, that service like repair, buy back, and leasing can start in a selected market before expanding, so they can elaborate it that how it goes well or not. And for digital initiatives, they can launch app or loyalty program, so that can improve the customer engagement, and it also increase the lifetime value of a customer. That's very important for a company. And in that way, I can also stay sustainable and innovative without losing at low price advantage. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me.